is team number two's introductions. I'm Veronica Thompson from the United States. I live in Chandler, Arizona. Work at Bank of America as an operations manager over an internal quality process. In terms of my experience with projects, I've dealt pretty heavily in supporting different projects throughout my career as a manager. I've had the opportunity to lead a few here and there, but definitely from an operations leadership standpoint, played pretty heavily in that world. So I'm excited to learn more about the project management class. And Hitomi, over to you.
Okay. Hi, my name is Hitomi Smith, and I'm originally from Japan. And I live in Sunnyvale, California. I work for Siemens Medical Solutions as the controller for R&D department. My title is a finance director for PLM, that is a product lifecycle management. So as you can see, I am really involved with the R&D project, and project management is really close to me. And before this job, I worked as a commercial project manager for light rail train project. And I was responsible for one of three constraints, that cost. And my job was to make sure that cost is within the budget. And my technical partner, who was very skilled, the technical project manager, was responsible for the schedule and quality. And I really like project management and looking forward to study more about project management. Okay, Ken, you're next.
Hi, Professor Youngdahl. My name is Ken Hill. I was born in the U.S. in Mississippi, and currently I live in Wilmington, Delaware. I work for DuPont in their industrial biotech division, and I currently manage a couple of teams. One is for a biocatalyst development, so there's a number of scientists primarily, and I also manage a group of engineers that are working on engineering design for licensing of technology. So my experience with project management actually began as a young engineer. I'm a chemical engineer by training. And I've done a number of different projects over the years, including being project team leader on new plant construction. Most recently, though, I've spent a lot of time doing multinational projects in places like Central Europe, working on project development, and working with potential customers to enable them to actually perform projects. So a fair amount of experience there. Looking forward to learning more about how to do projects effectively here in your class. And so I think now we're going over to Javier, right?
Yes, sir. Hi, Professor Youngdahl. My name is Javier Alberto. I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and I've been here for about 3 years now. I moved down here from Utah, and I work at In-House Realty, which is a partner company of Quicken Loans. So basically what I do is I help a new home buyer throughout the process of buying a house. So, you know, if the person needs a mortgage banker, I'll set them up with a mortgage banker. I'll set them up with a real estate agent wherever it is in the country that they're looking to buy a house. And I'll also answer questions and just help the client throughout the process. So as far as project management, most of my experiences in contributing to projects. Never really, during my career, have been a project manager per se, but I've contributed to several projects in my career. So, looking forward to learning more about that. Pass it on over to Wes.
Hello, Professor Youngdahl. This is Wes Thompson. I actually born and raised in the United States, California specifically. I now currently live in Chandler, Arizona. I work for Bank of America. I'm an operations manager there. I've been there for almost 10 years now. And with my project management experience, it has been limited to the operational side of the house. So as an operations manager, they often use us as SMEs. I got to help build out the group that I'm currently in. Started with 12 people, blew it out to 56 people in 2 different sites, and then offshore support in India. I've had a lot of fun with it, still have a lot to learn, which is what I'm most excited about for this class, so I'm sure my fellow classmates are. So again, looking forward to taking this class with you and everyone in the class, and we will see you soon.